Hello traders, you are highly welcome in my channel. This is Atop Forex for those who are new and those one who don't know me. Yeah, it has been a long time. I'm just quite busy and I have less time to make content, but because I love you, I have decided to come back and make more content for you so that you can learn from it. In this channel here, we learn more about Forex. So many of you think that Forex is something so easy and can make you get rich very fast. Yeah, surely you can get rich, but not as fast as you think. Even me, before, I used to think that within a year or 6 months I will be so profitable, but until now I have not bought a house yet and I've not accomplished my dreams yet. Although I am profitable, but still I am playing on a small account. Yeah, but very soon I believe that my account will grow bigger. However, I can really teach you what I know about Forex trading, and I believe that it will help you a lot to reach your journey of becoming a successful Forex trader. So Forex is a process. You don't rush with Forex trading. That's why you hear some people say that they have taken 5 years to become profitable, 3 years, 4 years, 2 years to become profitable. Yeah, it is a process just like a university. So when you go to university, you don't expect to graduate soon. Some people take 5 years, 6 years, even many years still in university learning. Yeah, and also the other thing is that in Forex you cannot teach yourself. Yeah, you may teach yourself, but you may take long to learn. Also, it is hard to teach yourself. To become profitable in Forex market, you must have someone to guide you, okay, to mentor you and to take you through the right way to become a profitable trader. Otherwise, on your own, it is hard, and there's a high chance that you may not make it on your own. For today, what I want to teach you about Forex is that do not treat Forex just for granted. Yeah, Forex is a very profitable business if you treat it in a specific way. That way is, don't treat Forex as a source of living. You may be able to think that, why am I talking about that? Aren't I trading for a living? Yeah, of course. You may be trading for a living, but in your mind, do not treat it that way. Treat Forex as an investment and not a short-term investment, but a long-term investment. Let us now go and see order by order and one by one why you should treat Forex trading as an investment but not as a source of living. Take this seriously. Yeah, and if you take this seriously, I believe that your mindset will change and also you become profitable because of the change of the mindset on how you should see and treat Forex. In Forex trading, we have skilled traders and intermediate traders. Yeah, so even the skilled traders, they lose in the market. I believe that you have ever heard about that. No matter how skilled you could be, no matter how many years you have been trading in Forex market, you cannot win all the time. You will lose many times and also you will win many times. And also, no matter what you do, you cannot control the market as well. You cannot tell the market which direction to move, how to move, and also when to move. The market will move on its own pace and how it wants to move. Okay, you cannot force it, no matter what you do as a retail trader. That is one of the reasons why you should take Forex as an investment, because you don't control it. Yeah, you don't control it. It will eat your money if it wants to, and also it will give you money if it wants to. So for you as a Forex trader, you should just play your part by being disciplined, by having a fair strategy, yeah, to predict the direction of the market and other things, which I don't want to sing about it right now because I've sung about it many times. On the other hand, also you can see that if you are treating forex trading as a source of living, it means that you are depending on it. Okay, every day you are depending on it. So if you made some profit, you go withdraw, you buy food for your family, for yourself, or you buy whatever you want to buy to push life on. In this way, there will be a lot of emotional pressure. If you're trading under pressure, this can even give you pressure as a disease itself. It can even disorganize your psychology, making you to trade poorly and losing trades, which could even lead to blowing an account. There would be a lot of poor decisions when you're trading under pressure. So when you treat trading as an investment, okay, you will not trade under pressure. You will trade in your own pace and in peace. That way you'll enjoy forex trading. In forex trading, trading income is not consistent. What is this about? You can find that in forex trading, some months you are going to be so profitable, and also other months will be full of losses. Then, if you're in a month of losses, what will you be living on? If you are depending on forex trading as a source of living, in that month of losses, you will face it rough, and this will make you believe that forex is a scam. Yet forex is real, and the problem would be you as yourself not knowing how to consider and to treat forex. Forex income is not like a salary. For a salary, it is guaranteed, okay, but for forex, your salary is not guaranteed. That's why I said that trading income is not consistent. This month you can remove profits, and next month you may not be able to remove profits simply because it is a losing month, as I said. Therefore, trading does not guarantee a steady cash flow. In forex trading, compounding also brings wealth. When you treat trading as an investment, this allows you to grow your capital gradually because you are not in a rush of making that money. You are on your own time. So you'll find that any little profit that you make in the market adds up. Today you can make small, tomorrow you will also make small, tomorrow next you can also make small. In 1 week you'll find that your capital is growing slowly by slowly because you are not in a rush of withdrawing it to live on. That is why compounding in forex trading builds wealth. Therefore, reinvesting profit is actually how you build long-term wealth. When you make profits, even if it is small, do not withdraw and spend it. Just reinvest it in the market, and then you'll find that that small profit has grown and has built you a very serious capital for you to now trade it easily, well, and compound it more, so that by the time you withdraw it, you are able to invest it also in other business, and then again it will produce you more profits in the other business, and then you reinvest it back in forex again. Also, better risk management is also important here. When you see trading as an investment, you are going to be more disciplined with risk and patience because you are not in a rush of making that money for a living. Seeing trading as a long-term investment is very important. This can change your mind, and then it makes you so disciplined and not in a rush of making a lot of money for survival. Instead, you will be patient and more disciplined. But when you see trading as a source of living, you may end up over leveraging and blow up your account because you want to make money for now, to eat now and to buy food now, you can over leverage, and this over leveraging can lead you to blow your account. But then, seeing trading as an investment, you cannot over leverage your account, and also you cannot blow your account. You will trade with discipline and patience. You will also be having psychological freedom, having no pressure, which will make you not feel forced to make money daily for a living. That is it, traders. In case you have liked the content, remember to subscribe, remember to share with your colleagues, and also like. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.